If you need a super easy shot for a night out, you have to make these lemon drop shots. They only require 3 ingredients and you'll get 4 2-ounce shots out of the recipe. This recipe is perfect because it uses vodka, which you probably already have on hand. I hope that you enjoy them. Don't forget to subscribe for more shot recipes. You only need 3 main ingredients and a couple of extra optional ingredients to make these lemon drop shots. Start out by squeezing a bunch of lemons in order to have fresh lemon juice for these shots. Next, this is a completely optional step, but you can garnish your shot glasses with a little lemon juice and then dip them into granulated sugar. It makes a super pretty presentation. Since this recipe has 4 shots, you'll need to repeat this for all the shot glasses. Next, to mix everything together, add 3 ounces of vodka into a cocktail shaker filled partway with ice. Then come behind that with 2.5 ounces of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And finally, to balance out the tartness of the lemons, we're adding 2 ounces of simple syrup. You can add more or less depending on your personal taste preference. Just remember to taste your shots before serving them up. Now shake this very vigorously until everything is well chilled. It usually takes about just 15 seconds. And then you'll strain these shots into your already prepared shot glasses with your sugar rim. Now optionally, if you want to make things pretty, you can garnish these with a little lemon wedge. This can also be used as a chaser, but I don't really think that you'll need it since these shots are so deliciously balanced. The full recipe along with tips and tricks will be linked in the description below.